Hi, my name is Faith Nuhu. I'm from iMart, Nigeria. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make use of the OBD II Car Scanner. The OBD II Car Scanner is a diagnostic tool that helps you detect the fault of your car in less than 3 minutes. The OBD II Car Scanner also saves you the stress, costs, and agony of going to the mechanic and spending unnecessarily on faults that were never in your car. So we're going to move to how you can use the OBD II Car Scanner. When you get the OBD II Car Scanner, this is how it comes. This is the packet, this is the manual right here, and this is our device. So you can connect it to your OBD port. The OBD port is usually at the dashboard beneath at the left hand side where the steering is. So here is our OBD port for this particular car. So we're going to connect it. Okay, so we have connected our scanner and then we have turned on the engine. Remember, you have to connect the scanner first before you turn on your engine. Do not connect the scanner when your engine is already turned on. Okay, so this is what shows up when you turn it on. We have the up and the down button, so you can go down, you can go up. So now we're going to diagnose. So click on OK. Processing. This usually takes some seconds, but not really up to a minute. ISO 157654. Good, it's up. So basically this is a result from your engine system. We have the DTCS in the ECU as 1, readiness OK as 5, readiness INC as 2, readiness NA as 3, data stream count 52, protocol type CAN. So we can now click on OK. And then we can see here we have the read codes, we have erase codes, we have IM readiness, data stream, freeze frame, auto sensor tests, onboard monitoring, VAP system, vehicle information. So basically we're going to read codes now. So let's click on OK. This takes some seconds, just some seconds. Get supported data, DTC loading, good. Okay, so we have some errors on this car. We have two actually, 1/2, meaning we have two. If you just go down with the button, you'd see the second one. So let's go back up for the first one. So the first code is P035356, ignition coil F primary / secondary circuit. And the second one is P0430, catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 2. So let's go back up. So in such situations, if you do not really understand what this means, you could just go on Google and search it up. So when you go on Google, you simply type P0356, which is the fault code. And then every information you need on this particular fault code would come out. What exactly is wrong with the car, where it originated from. You can even see images on the fault and all of that. The same thing applies to the second fault. You go and you Google P0430. Every single information you need would come out. So let's click on back. We're going to go back now since we're done with that. So in a situation whereby you've gone to the mechanic and he has already repaired and worked on all those faults, you can come down here and click on erase codes, and then you click on OK. Clear reset emission related diagnostic information. Are you sure? We are not sure because we have not gone to the mechanic to work on those faults, so we can't click OK. So we have to go back. So that's basically it for reading codes, erasing codes, diagnosing with OBD II Car Scanner. So let's just go back now. Are you sure to exit the diagnostic function? Okay. So remember to turn off your engine before you unplug the scanner from its connection. It's very portable. It's something you can carry along while traveling, while going out, while visiting the next street with your car. It's very important. Basically, if you have any questions or complaints, whatsoever feedbacks, feel free to contact us on www.imart.ng.